Nothing's easy, nothing's ever is, but some love is haunted from the start. From the get-go to the final blow, yeah, you've got a different kind of heart. You were a merry-go-round, I was the fire that burned you to the ground. We'll love like we don't care. Different kind, a different kind of love. A different kind, a different kind of love. A different kind, a different kind of love. A different kind, a different kind of such a different kind of love. A different kind of love. Such a different kind of. When I met you, when we started off, it sure was a different kind of love. Should I get up? Should I get up and run? Stop dead right before it had begun. I was the morning dove, and you were the heart chasing me through the air. You loved like you didn't care. Different kind, a different kind of love. A different kind, a different kind of love. A different kind, a different kind of love. A different kind, a different kind of such a different kind of a different kind of such a different
What I told you, no one knows about, and you keep it that way. How I know you, I could cry or shout, you would listen either way. And I told you about the full breakdowns that are only mine to talk about. I even told you about the sacred grounds where I go when I need to shout. There is more to you than words can say. You're the roof when I'm wet from rain. You know the core in every bit of pain. So I wanted to say that you'll see me rise. You've seen me crash and burn and fall overboard, and you'll be seeing me rise. You've given me more than I could ever afford. Swear you will see me rise. I will love you, I will have your back, as you always had mine. 'Cause I owe you, when the world's pitch black, you and I will stay entwined. And I told you about the full breakdowns that are only mine to talk about. I even told you about the sacred grounds where I go when I need to shout. There is more to you than words can say. You're the roof when I'm wet from rain. You know the core in every bit of pain. So I wanted to say that you'll see me rise. You've seen me crash and burn and fall overboard, and you'll be seeing me rise. You've given me more than I could ever afford. Swear you will see me rise. I burn and I will rise. I burn and I will rise. I burn and I will rise. Swear you'll be seeing me rise. I burn and I will rise. I burn and I will rise. I burn and I will rise. You'll be seeing me rise. So hard since you moved out, and it's not getting better. I'm lying down, I'm in that room we used to share together. Where are you now? Are you okay? I'm not. Things ain't the same without you. It ain't the same without you. I've tried to keep my head up, taking one day at a time, but you cut deep, you leave a mark, you're latching on my mind. And every time I try to meet someone I see, you're not the same, not like you. There's only one just like you. Not like you. Only you. Things ain't the same without you. It ain't the same without you. There's plenty more who got that looks just like you, but none compared to who you are. It's just the inside of you. You so damn good you can't be real. You are. It's never the same without you. All of it's pain without you. Do you remember what I asked you on our first encounter? If you'll be mine, you'll make the sunshine in my life glow brighter. The lie is that you took it on. Nothing but dark without you. There's only one just like you. Got diamond hair, and you know you rock it. You pass people stare, and they know you got it on. You walked away now. Things ain't the same without you. Ain't it the same without you?
bag of memories, my only luggage. I'm trying to travel like the way I love it. I never really care about the distance. I let the music guide me, be my mistress. In all the places I have seen, they all felt like a home. Every day is a new scene, outside my comfort zone. And all the girls are calling me the one who got away, got a song to play. I've been soaking up the sun and I've been walking through the rain. Started singing just for fun, sometimes to take away the pain. I've been dancing in the moonlight, slept underneath the stars, and the music has taken me far. Just me and my guitar. Oh, I've seen the world from every corner. I've gone from north to south, crossed every border. Yeah, I've learned to fall in love with every season. I let the music guide me, be the reason, yeah. And all the places I have seen, they all felt like a home. Every day is a new scene, outside my comfort zone. And all the girls are calling me the one who got away, who got a song to play. I've been soaking up the sun and I've been walking through the rain. Started singing just for fun, sometimes to take away the pain. I've been dancing in the moonlight, slept underneath the stars, and the music has taken me far. Just me and my guitar, me and my guitar. Like a bird, flying free, flying higher. Round the world, more to see. The limit is the sky. I've been soaking up the sun and I've been walking through the rain. Started singing just for fun, sometimes to take away the pain. I've been dancing in the moonlight, slept underneath the stars, and the music has taken me far. Just me and my guitar, me and my guitar. Ooh, just me and my guitar.
Didn't I wait for you? Didn't I say I'm sorry? Didn't I do the best I could? You have high expectations. Don't I know that you've explained it? How I should prove myself to you. But I can't when I'm with you. I need to laugh again. But I can't when I'm with you. I need to find my way by myself. I cannot wait until you hear my story. I cannot wait until I burst. If I could have a day without no worries, maybe I'll figure out a way to stay. Didn't I put you first? Didn't I reassure you? Did you ever do those things for me? I don't mind complicated, but the line is crossed, I'm waiting for a sincere apology. But you can't when you're with me, you need to find a way. But you can't when you're with me, you can with everyone else, just not me. I cannot wait could. You have high expectations. Oh, I know that you've explained that. How I should prove myself to you.